Hello guys, review smartphone Infinix HOT 30 version 8GB RAM and 256GB internal memory. Okay, open box and look completion. We have in completion, of course, device, protected back cover, adapter for charging, key for SIM slot and cable. Now talk about device. Double camera on the back side, LED on the front side, display, slot for 2 SIM card and micro SD card for memory on the left side. On the right side, power key and power button and wall buttons. Downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone and headphones jack. Turn on device, we have Full HD Plus resolution display, IPS display, Infinix HOT 30 version Android 12.0 12.6.0. Okay, look and do the benchmark. Undo the benchmark score and run GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas works on the max graphic level and works perfect. Okay, close this. And now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.